On this gorgeous spring day here in Madison, I'm going to be going out here by my pond doing one of my favorite little rituals, feeding my koi. I've been using this Iku Koi Kichi color enhancer food for over a year now, and it's become one of those they know me moments because, yes, I whistle. I know, I am a fish nerd. And I do this at feeding time, and they come right up like, okay, mom's here. A quick few tips that keep things easy and keep your pond water happy. Feed smaller amounts, just what they can finish in about 5 to 10 minutes, and it's totally fine to do a couple smaller feedings instead of, one big one. The pellets are on the smaller side, which is nice, which I actually love because it works well for different koi sizes. And for freshness, I'm storing mine in a sealed plastic container. Cool and dry is the goal. Because moisture is the enemy with our fish food. We don't want it to get moldy for sure. And my home sweet home tip is this. Make feeding time consistent, same spot, same sound, like my whistle, same calm routine, because your fish really do learn from it, and it turns a basic little task into the sweetest little daily moment. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.